all of the different Nikon camera options that are available, choosing one to match your needs can seem nearly impossible. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best Nikon cameras on the market this year based on price, performance, and what type of photography they are used for. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Nikon camera will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So, for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is Nikon D850, our choice for the best overall Nikon camera. The Nikon D850 features a backside illuminated full-frame 45.7 image sensor, which is why it is capable of taking such remarkable pictures. You can achieve a level of clarity and detail with your photography that no other Nikon camera on the market can offer. You will be able to shoot continuously up to 9 frames per second at full resolution with full autofocus, which is just impressive. There are 8K 6 and 4K time-lapse movie options that give you a stunning degree of sharpness. The video playback looks absolutely amazing no matter what. This camera's tilting touch display gives you the perfect angle for shooting and viewing the photos and videos you have taken. There is also the focus shift shooting mode for even better performance. The 4K Ultra HD video recording allows you to do slow motion up to 120 frames per second at 1080p. If you are an aspiring filmmaker, this is certainly one camera that you will get lots of use from. We love the X-Speed 4 processor that this camera uses, giving it the ability to capture an insane amount of detail with minimal noise. It also makes this camera very fast, so you won't miss a second of the action. Whether you are snapping off photos or recording 4K video, you can capture it all. You will be able to choose from high, medium, and low focus peaking options. There is also a manual mode that you can use to have full control over the pictures you take. This allows you to take the kinds of pictures you want without any pesky restrictions. Measuring 5.8 by 3.1 by 4.9 inches, this Nikon camera weighs only 2 pounds. It is amazingly light and compact when you consider its impressive power and ability. Number 4 on our list is Nikon D5300, our choice for the best budget Nikon camera option. The Nikon D5300 has a 24-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor with no optical low-pass filter. Its 39-point autofocus system with 3D tracking and 3D matrix metering too gives you the ability to lock in on subjects faster than ever. It has an ISO range of 100 through 12,800, which is expandable to 25,600 for impressively accurate exposure. The 3.2-inch vari-angle 1,037,000 LCD screen offers a sharp picture and an easy way to get a good look at your subjects. It will also provide you with a convenient way to look through all of the photos and videos you have taken. You can take 1080p video at 60p, 30p, or 24p with this camera. The HD video playback is fairly impressive for this price point. It also gives you built-in Wi-Fi for sharing your photos with others faster than ever. You will be able to transfer the pictures you take to your smartphone via Nikon's own mobile app. The built-in GPS will allow you to geotag each of the photos you take so that you always know precisely where they were taken. This camera always gives you an incredible level of sharpness and detail with each photo you take. Continuous shooting at 5 frames per second lets you get all of the action without missing a thing. Measuring 4.9 by 3 by 3.9 inches with a weight of just over 1 pound, this camera is incredibly lightweight. You won't have to worry about any discomfort, even when you are using it for long periods of time. Coming in at around $465, the D5300 gives you plenty of great features for taking professional-looking photos with ease. There is a dial on top of this camera to switch between different modes, including manual if you want full control. You will have no problem getting your money's worth. Number 3 on our list is Nikon COOLPIX P900. The Nikon COOLPIX P900 has a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor that offers 6-level brightness adjustment for the perfect pictures every single time. The 83x optical zoom allows you to get up close on each of your subjects without any problems whatsoever. If you do a lot of long-distance shooting, this is definitely a camera to consider. This camera's vari-angle TFT LCD screen will always allow you to achieve an ideal viewing angle when taking photos or shooting video. You can shoot full HD video at 1080/60p, and the playback is very smooth and sharp. You will also have built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity to help you transfer the photos you take from your camera to your smartphone in a flash. This allows you to start sharing your pictures with friends and family faster than ever before. The battery life of this camera goes all the way up to 360 shots, so you won't have to deal with constantly recharging it. The full manual control option will allow you to override all auto settings, so you can determine how each photo looks down to the last detail. The easy-to-use design of the P900 makes it a great choice for those who are just getting started in the world of photography. Measuring 5.5 by 5.4 by 4.1 inches, this camera has a total weight of just under 2 pounds. This makes it considerably lighter and smaller than many of its competitors. You can shoot for hours on end without dealing with any hand fatigue or discomfort. You'll find that the PSAM mode dial, which is located on the top right of the camera, gives you the ability to switch between settings on the fly. It gives you the ability to take high-quality photos exactly how you want without having to follow any complicated steps. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 2 on our list is Nikon D5600. The Nikon D5600 features an impressive 24DX format CMOS sensor that delivers high-quality photos on a consistent basis. The X-Speed 4 image processor delivers fast and accurate shooting like you simply won't believe. There is also a 3.2-inch 1.037 million dot vari-angle LCD screen with touch support. This makes it easier than ever to do everything from edit photos to focusing in on your subjects. The display itself is very sharp and clear, so you'll have no problem seeing what you want to take pictures of. You can swivel it around to get the best viewing angle when previewing photos or using live mode to shoot. You can record video in full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second. While it is not 4K, you'll most likely still be very happy with the overall quality of the video playback. One of the best things about this camera is its many wireless connectivity options. You will have built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC connectivity. This gives you the ability to transfer photos without any delay. You can upload your pictures to your smartphone on the fly without any issues. This camera's 39 autofocus points lets you lock onto your subjects faster and more accurately than ever before. It is amazingly accurate, giving you stunning results every single time. It handles low-light environments exceptionally well, giving you great-looking photos consistently. The optical viewfinder will provide you with a very clear view of your subjects so you don't have to worry about how your shots are going to turn out. Measuring 4.9 by 3.8 by 2.8 inches with a weight of 3 pounds, this camera is a bit on the bulky side. It definitely isn't the largest we have ever seen, but it's a bit bigger than some of the competition. Number 1 on our list is Nikon Z6, our choice for the best mirrorless Nikon camera. The Nikon Z6 is equipped with a new 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated image sensor for taking truly stunning photos with a wonderful level of clarity and precision. The 273 point-on sensor with phase detect autofocus system means that it focuses in on subjects quickly and accurately. One of the best things about this camera is that you can use it to shoot 4K Ultra HD video. There is also an 8K time-lapse option at 120/1080p. If you shoot videos for a YouTube channel or just for fun, this is a camera you should seriously consider. This camera's weather sealing makes it highly resistant to moisture and dust. You will be able to shoot outside in all sorts of weather conditions without having to worry about this camera sustaining any damage. It has a very rugged construction that allows it to withstand just about anything. The new USB battery charging allows you to charge this camera up faster, and it lasts longer. You can take hundreds of shots before you have to worry about recharging the battery. The new ergonomic design of this camera makes it far more comfortable than its predecessors. It is a perfect choice if you love to go out shooting for hours at a time. There is also the new icon-driven info display, which gives you all the information you need at a glance. This includes focus modes, VR settings, exposure, white balance, picture controls, and so much more. It is definitely a huge convenience when you are trying to take the best pictures possible at a moment's notice. The autofocus system this camera uses is incredibly smooth and quiet. You won't have to be concerned with an external microphone you are using picking up the sound. It has one of the best autofocus designs of any modern digital camera on the market today. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.